Okay, building upon index of, right, we have another useful method for finding out where characters or strings are in a another string. So index of, as we recall, it took a string or a character and it searched in the string for it, starting at position 0 unless you specified a position, right? Another useful one is last index of, right? Last index of. So it's written like this, last index of. And this finds exactly what it sounds like. The last place it finds this string or character in this string in S1. So if I just did index of, it would find this is. If I do last index of, it's going to find this one. So if I print out the position of this, right, it's going to find 5 because it goes through this list and it actually goes this way through the list looking for is. And where does this is fall? It falls at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at position 5. So it's finding the last place that is in that string. And again, this also accepts characters. So for instance, I could put T here, right? So look, there's so many T's in here. If I do last index of, it's going to find this T, right? That last T in there, right? So if I run it, I get it's in position 13, which it is. If I just used index of instead of last index of, then I'm going to get the first T, which is at position 0, right? So last index of finds the last occurrence of a character or a string. And I'm not going to talk about it in here, but just like index of, it also accepts a second parameter in here also, which is where you want it to start searching from. So that could be useful also, but you should be able to elaborate on that yourself after knowing how index of works with the two. So again, this just finds the last occurrence of a character or a string inside of another string.